Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss the insertion procedure in B trees. The insertion procedure in B trees. First, to insert an element into a B tree, remember always insertion is performed at leaf node. Always insertion is performed at leaf node. So the first step is search the leaf node. Search the leaf node. Suppose the leaf node name is P. Search the leaf node P where we want to perform insertion. Okay, remember in B trees insertion is always performed at leaf node. First step is find out the leaf node. Find out the leaf node in which the key is to be inserted. The key is to be inserted. Step 2. Once the leaf node is identified, if the insertion of key into P, suppose P is the leaf node where we are performing insertion. If the insertion of key into P result in now P having less than m minus 1 keys. Suppose a B tree of order m contains m minus 1 keys. Contains a maximum of m minus 1 keys. After insertion of the element into the P, after insertion of the element or key into the P, and the resultant node also less than m minus 1 keys. What we have to do? Simply perform insertion. Okay, simply perform insertion. Next, step 3. Suppose if the insertion of key into P results in having m keys. Okay, observe the maximum number of keys are allowed is m minus 1 keys. Suppose if the P having less than m minus 1 keys, so no problem, that is after insertion. Less than m minus 1 keys after insertion. If it contains m keys, that means it violates the property. Then what we have to do? Split the node P. Okay, simple procedure. If it contains less than the required number, suppose m is equal to 5, so m minus 1 means 4 keys are allowed. If it is less than 4, P contains less than 4, if by inserting one element, so no problem. Suppose if it is equal to m minus 1 keys also, no problem. If it is equal to m, it violates the property. So perform split operation. Okay, in the split operation, okay, the node is split into two nodes. Suppose the violated node is split into two nodes, P and Q. Suppose divided into two nodes, P and Q, such that node P has how many number of keys? Remember, keys or elements are same, or data. Node P has m by 2 minus 1 elements or keys, and node Q has total number of is m minus m by 2 keys. Okay, I have a total of m keys. In the m keys, after splitting the node, one node is splitted into two nodes, P and Q. P contains m by 2 minus 1 keys and Q contains m minus m by 2 keys. For suppose m is equal to 5, that is order 5. How many number of keys are allowed? Only 4 keys. Suppose after insertion of this one, 5 by 2 means 2.5, seal means 3. 3 minus 1. 2 keys are placed in P. 2 keys are placed in P. 5 minus 3. 2 keys are placed in Q. A total of 5 keys. After insertion, actually only 4, but after inserting one key, it becomes 5. 5 means it violates the property. Then I am splitting. The 2 keys are placed in P and the last 2 keys are placed in Q, and the remaining element, we have one more element. The remaining element, that is simply some represented as the middle element, m by 2. M by 2 is inserted into parent of P. Is inserted into parent of P. Parent of P. Parent of P. Now, so first case. So one case is after splitting, split the node, m by 2 minus 1 keys are placed in P and m minus m by 2 keys are placed in Q, and the middle one, the middle m by 2 is placed in the parent, and perform link operation inserting into parent. Suppose if this node is inserted into parent, may require to split. Suppose if the parent can also store a maximum of 4 keys. If the parent already contains 4 keys, by insertion, that is by splitting, the parent now contains 5 keys. Again, we have to split the parent also. Inserted into parent may require to split the parent. So this process is repeated. Until it satisfies the B-tree property. Okay, finally, when the root, suppose that the starting position, when the root is also split, a new root with single element, suppose if the root is also split, a new root with single element is created. And height of the B tree is increased by 1. So see this one, very simple example. A B tree of order m. If you want to perform insertion, you always perform insertion at the leaf level. So what is the first step? First step is identify the leaf node at which we have to perform insertion. So in order m is how many number of keys are allowed? Maximum of m minus 1 keys. After inserting a key into the node, it has less than or equal to m minus 1 keys, no problem. Suppose after insertion the number of keys are increased, that is greater than m minus 1, that means m. After insertion the number of keys are m, means it violates the property. If it violates the property, what you have to do? Perform split operation. The splitting, remember the case. Suppose in the splitting, m by 2 minus 1 elements are moved to one node, m minus m by 2 elements are moved to another node, the middle node is moved to the parent. Suppose in the process, if the parent also violates the property, again perform the split operation. Continue the procedure until the root. Suppose if the root also performs split operation, a new root is with a single element is created. Suppose consider an example, m is equal to 3. So m is equal to 3 means keys. Maximum how many number of keys? Maximum 2 keys. Children? 3 children. M is equal to 3. 3 means the maximum 2 keys are allowed and 3 children are allowed. 2 keys and 3 children are allowed. This is the maximum. Okay. Consider an example 40, 10, 20. Check whether this is a B tree or not. See this one. So minimum means minimum. Minimum is 1. Minimum is 1 key, 2 children. 1 key, 2 children. See this one, 40. Here one box represents the keys. And the left child 10 and 20 is less than the 40. Right child 80 is greater than 40. It is perfectly valid. Now perform insertion operation. Suppose insert an element 70. Insert 70. Remember, always the elements in a node must be in sorted order. That means after insertion the tree is this one, 40, 10, 20. This is the way, 70, 80. 70, 80. Okay. Now, so no problem. That is the first step. The first step is identify, search the leaf node P. Suppose in the tree I am searching the leaf node. The leaf node is this one. Remember, even though here the place is available, but we have not to insert it. Search the leaf node. This is the possible leaf node. If the insertion of 70 into the key violates or not violate. So after insertion in 70, the maximum number of keys required are 2. So 2. So no problem. It does not violate the property. Now insert 30. Insert 30. Again the step is 40, 10, 20. This is the original diagram. So what is the position of 30? According to binary search tree, the position of 30 is only this one, because that is less than 40 and insertion is always performed at leaf node. See this one. After inserting 30 at this position, how many number of keys? The number of keys becomes 3. That is, the number of keys becomes 3. Then what we have to do? Perform split operation. Maximum allowed keys are only 2, but after insertion the maximum number of keys are 3. If it is key, perform split operation. So split this node. After splitting this node into 2 parts, suppose one part contains order m. The tree is of order m by 2. That is the 3 by 2 minus 1. 1.5, seal of 1.5 means 2. 2 minus 1. The one node contains 1 and another node contains 1, and the middle one moves to the root node. It contains 3 nodes. The left node subtree contains 10 and the right one contains 30. The middle one moves to the root node. That is simply the structure is 20, 40, 10, 30. Observe the structure. This is the structure. Okay, this node is splitted into 2 nodes. After splitting, one node contains 1 element and another node contains only 1 element. The middle element moves to the root position. So in the root position. So, and according to binary search tree, these are the positions. Suppose insert some another nodes. Insert to violates the property. Insert node 60. Insert node 60. What is the position of 60? From this 20, 40. Remember, insertion is always performed at the leaf level. So the position of 60 is this one. Remember, insertion, leaf level and inserted must be in sorted order. So this one. It violates the property because the maximum keys allowed are only 2, but I am inserting 2 keys. It violates the property. Then what you have to do? Perform split operation. After performing split operation, the tree becomes 20, 40 and the middle element moves to the root. So 10, 30, and this part is 60, and this part is 80. But automatically it is a B tree of order 4 because it contains 3 keys. But here also it violates the property. Here also it violates the property. So again perform split operation. After performing split operation, 40. After performing split operation, 40 is the root element. 40 is the root element, and 20 and 70 becomes the left and right child. 20 and 70 becomes the left and right child. That means the 20 and 70, the normal procedure. And this one is 10. For 20, the right child is 30. For 60, this is the left child, this is the right child. Observe. Okay, all the steps are completed. So set leaf node is identified. After insertion of 70, no problem. After insertion of 70, the step 2 is completed. Coming to step 3. In step 3, after insertion, if the number of keys are m, perform split operation. After splitting, move the element to the parent. Split into 2 nodes, and the middle node is moved to the root element. Suppose after splitting, if you are moved to the root node, suppose see this one. In the moving the root node, again if the root node violates the property, again the root node contains a single element, makes into left subtree and right subtree. This is the insertion procedure. In the next session, we will discuss inserting some number of elements using B tree. Thank you.